roll down because we teach it differently. It's going to be on your chest. So traditional roll down, your people are going to come, they're going to place their toes on the floor, their heels are on the mat, their feet are pressed against the floor, their knees stay bent the whole time, and they're grabbing the width of the roll down bar. So the idea is they're tucking their tailbone, putting a little resistance on the bar to keep their shoulders away from your ears. They're going to tuck their tailbone and get their weight back onto your mat, and then they're going to pull. They're going to take a big inhale, a big exhale, and then roll back and play with two more to the tips of their shoulder blades. Knees stay bent the whole time. Exhale, and then they're going to roll all the way down. Rest their head back, their shoulders up above, fold their arms down their sides, and then they're going to on the way out. We're going to get this bar on the bar pose, which a lot of people do. So curl your chin to your chest and get roll up to the tips of your shoulder blades. Take an inhale, take an exhale. One more. Take a big inhale, take a big exhale. Roll up all the way. This is a lot more core focused than the stretch that we teach in class. This. So, by straightening our legs and then coming up. No, we really want to focus on engaging our core muscles here and resisting the urge for the spring to throw us down and to throw us up. You know, that was a gross way of saying that. So, put a little tension on the bar to bring your shoulders down your back, tuck that tail, roll it down, try to get your roll back onto the mat. Hold there, take an inhale, take an exhale, roll back even more. Take a big inhale, take a big exhale, all the way up. And then repeat the process. Curl your chin to your chest, roll up to the tips of your shoulder blades. Inhale, exhale, roll up through your into more. Inhale, exhale, and then we're going to roll all the way up. There's even a portion of it, which I forgot, that typically to get them in the right position to do the roll up and roll down, you're going to have them put slight pressure on bar, hinge back, and then they're going to scoop their butt even closer to their heels. Then tuck their tail. That's to get their butt underneath them, their butt cheeks, to be able to allow themselves to tuck that tail, to get all the way down. We want that low back connected, and we want our core to do the work the whole time. We don't want this bar bringing us up. We're using resisting gravity here to roll ourselves up, to come all the way up. And that is roll down.